Okay, let's talk about adding fractions. Adding fractions is very simple, especially if the bottom number is the same. If you have like denominators, that means the bottom number is the same. It'd be like saying, I have 2 apples and then I ate 2 more apples. I would have eaten 4 apples. The word apples is like your denominator, it just stays the same as you go. So if I had 1/4 plus 1/4, it's like saying, well, I had 1 apple plus another apple. How many apples do I have? The bottom number is just going to stay the same. You're just adding the top numbers. 2/4 stays the same. You're just adding the top. If it's already the same, you're keeping it the same. If I had 3/7 plus 5/7, you're basically adding the top numbers. The bottom number will stay the same. So you already have half your answer. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And we have 8/7 as our answer. Now, I always tell my class that if you can reduce, you must reduce. Or if it is an improper, you need to change it to a mix. So this one is a regular fraction, but I know we can have smaller numbers for it. Because they're both even, I know the 2 will work. So if you divide both the top and the bottom by 2, you get 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Your final version of that is 1/2. Now 1/2 means exactly the same as 2/4, it's just smaller numbers. Now if I look at my next one, 8/7, that's an improper. I don't like leaving it like that, it looks like it's going to fall over. I tell my class that it's like having training wheels by putting the whole number in front. So how do we change it? We just divide. Fractions are division problems. 8 divided by 7. So 8 divided by 7 is 1. We're going to have 1 left over, so 1 remainder. The bottom number is going to stay the same. Okay, so we're not changing the amount. We're just saying it in a different way. 8/7, that means you've eaten 8 pieces of a 7-piece candy bar. That means you've eaten a whole candy bar plus a little bit more of the next one. So 1 candy bar, a little bit more of the next one.